Hello. I bought the cheapest coffee grinder I could find on Amazon, not for making coffee, but for making soil. It only cost me about 13 quid, plastic lid. I get some soil, some random clumps of soil. Hopefully there's no stones in it. See, it's all in there. Put my finger on the lid, press the button. Couple of seconds, and we already have, if we can get the cameras on, very fine grained dust. Put some more in there. Yes, it's noisy as buggery, but as you can see, it would do if it would bloody focus. It produces a very, very fine grained dust. You'll need to sift it afterwards. But there you go, a very fine grained dust for making scenery terrain, which you can mix with glue like Mod Podge and have a good alternative basing substance. Thank you for watching.